This is viewing my security camera that I use to remotely view my 3D printer. It's just a cheapish pan tilt sort of camera, and I can pan tilt on it remotely and things like that. I wouldn't 100% really recommend this camera. I do have issues with it, like if I'm watching it on the computer like I am now over Wi-Fi, so to speak, it'll only show about 5 or 10 minutes and it'll stop working. A little bit better on the phone, yes, I can watch it on the phone. Android anyway, phone. So I can view this remotely and keep an eye on the print sometimes, turn it on when I want to check it every hour or so or whatever while it's printing. Anyway, I've changed the position of this camera a bit. Actually, it's hanging upside down, but I can rotate the image. As you see, it comes out the right way up here. But if you look behind the nozzle head here, there, you'll see that you can see the monitor. So it can see itself. So in a way, we're going to get one of these infinite images, although because of the delay in the transmission of the signal, it's not quite so infinite that it's viewing itself and it's feeding back that image into the camera and it's viewing that image, so to speak. I'll just let you watch this a few seconds. This is printing my sort of main body of my filament run-out sensor. I've strengthened this. Oh, sorry, actually, this is the lid. This is the lid pad. I've made it stronger. I've beefed up the thickness of the lid so that I can put like a cone shape to help feed the filament in a little bit easier. Because I originally one just had a small hole and the lid was quite weak on the body part. That sometimes the lid would just pop off by itself, so to speak, or a slight knock when I'm moving the filament, for example, on a drum. If I need to, then the lid would pop off. So I've beefed up how thick the plastic is, and I'm making the edge that clips on to the main body like deeper. But basically, I just wanted you to mainly possibly see the infinity thing. I'll try and zoom in on that in post-production. I can zoom in on this image, but it goes very pixelated because it's a digital sort of zoom. On the bottom right there, you can see the things to move about. Okay, enough of that, I think. As long as you can see that it might get a sort of infinite one of these cameras viewing its own self, so to speak, and feeding back onto itself infinity image. But I think this is stopped a lot by the fact that there is quite a delay, a delay of a few seconds to send the image over Wi-Fi.